In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Systeme.io. This process will help you integrate your domain smoothly, ensuring your website runs seamlessly with Systeme.io's powerful platform. Whether you're setting up a new site or transitioning an existing one, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and effectively. Let's start by heading over to your Systeme.io dashboard. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're at the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the Settings area where you can manage various aspects of your Systeme.io account. Now, on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. Scroll through this menu until you find the Custom Domains section. Click on Custom Domains and you'll be taken to a page specifically designed for domain management. This is where you can add or manage domains that you want to associate with your Systeme.io account. Next, look for the Add Domain button on this page. Clicking on this button will allow you to start the process of adding your Namecheap domain. A form will pop up asking you to input your domain name. Enter the domain name that you've registered with Namecheap into the designated field. Make sure you type it correctly to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered your domain name, you'll typically need to verify that you own it. Namecheap will provide specific instructions on how to update your DNS settings if necessary. This might involve adding a TXT or CNAME record to your domain's DNS configuration. The exact instructions can vary, so it's important to follow the prompts provided by Systeme.io carefully. After you've configured your DNS settings, return to Systeme.io and complete the domain addition process. It may take some time for DNS changes to propagate, so be patient. This step ensures that your domain is fully connected and operational with Systeme.io. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to Systeme.io. This connection allows you to leverage Systeme.io's robust features while maintaining your domain's unique identity. If you face any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Systeme.io's support team for assistance. They're always there to help you navigate any challenges you might encounter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in your website setup journey.